Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you are getting the error like this while using your mobile data on your iPhone, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the setting. Now guys, if you have any mobile data related error, first of all you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 30 or 40 seconds. Now force close this page. Now after that you have to open the settings again. Now turn off your mobile data. Turn off your aeroplane mode and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, then tap on general. From here guys, you can also make sure that your date and time is correct and you have turned on both of these toggles. Then go back. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to transfer or reset, tap on reset. From here you have to reset the network setting. Once you have done this guys, after that maybe your problem will be fixed. And the process is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings again. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on general. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you are not connected with VPN. And also make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. Once you have done this guys, after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then maybe there is a carrier update, that's why it's not working for you guys. Just simply you have to tap on general. From here you have to go to about section, and if you have any carrier update, then you can see here the pop-up. Just simply you have to update your carrier setting, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.